Nature is amazing. We love its beauty. The vibrant colors of wildflowers, the serene green of forests, and the majestic mountains all captivate our senses. But sometimes we need a new way to see it, to truly appreciate the intricate details and vast landscapes that make up our natural world. Traditional views from the ground can be limiting. We miss out on the grand scale and hidden gems that nature has to offer. But with the advent of drone technology, we have found a new perspective. Drones give us that new way. They allow us to soar above the treetops, glide over rivers, and explore remote areas that are otherwise inaccessible. It's like having a bird's-eye view of the world. They take us up high, offering a perspective that is both breathtaking and enlightening. From above, we can see the vastness of forests, the winding paths of rivers, and the rugged beauty of mountain ranges. Suddenly we see the world differently. It's exciting. The changing perspectives reveal new scenery and hidden wonders that we might never have noticed from the ground. Drones are like magic carpets. They glide smoothly over picturesque landscapes, navigating through nature with ease and grace. It's a journey that feels almost magical. They take us on adventures. We can explore diverse terrains, from dense forests to remote mountain peaks, all from the comfort of our own homes. We soar above forests and mountains, gaining a new appreciation for the scale and beauty of these natural wonders. We see hidden waterfalls and secret valleys, places that are often missed by the casual observer. These hidden gems are revealed in all their glory. Our eyes open wide with wonder. The expansive natural landscapes and the intricate details captured by drones leave us in awe. The world feels different from above. It's peaceful and calm. We forget our worries. The serene landscapes at sunrise, the calmness of nature, all help us to relax and find peace. We connect with nature in a new way. It's an amazing feeling. The deep connections we form with nature through these aerial views are profound and lasting. Drones help us understand the Earth. By exploring diverse ecosystems and highlighting geographical features, they provide us with valuable insights. We see patterns in nature. The interconnected elements and natural patterns become clear, helping us to understand the complexity and beauty of our planet. We see how everything is connected. This understanding is important. It shows us the harmony and balance that exists in nature. It helps us protect our planet. By appreciating the beauty and understanding the interconnectedness of nature, we are inspired to take action to preserve and protect our environment for future generations. Imagine this. You're flying high above a forest. The trees look like a green ocean. The sun sparkles on the leaves. You feel a sense of peace. You fly over a mountain range. The peaks seem to touch the sky. You see snow-capped summits and rocky cliffs. You feel amazed by the power of nature. Next, you fly over a desert. The sand dunes look like waves. The sun beats down on the land. You feel the vastness of our planet. Drones show us the beauty of every landscape. They reveal hidden details and patterns. We gain a new appreciation for the Earth's diversity. Waterfalls are magical. They are powerful and beautiful. Drones help us see them in a new way. Imagine this. You're flying towards a waterfall. The sound of rushing water grows louder. You feel the spray on your face. It's exhilarating. You fly around the waterfall. You see the water plunging down from above. You see the mist rising up from below. It's mesmerizing. You fly behind the waterfall. You see the world from a hidden perspective. The water creates a curtain of shimmering light. It's breathtaking. Drones capture the power and beauty of waterfalls. They show us these natural wonders from every angle. We are left speechless by their majesty. Nature is full of color. From the tiniest flower to the vast landscapes, every element contributes to a magnificent palette that paints our world. The beauty of nature's colors is not just in their variety, but in their harmony. Each hue, each shade tells a story of life, growth, and change. From above, these colors are even more vibrant. The aerial perspective offers a unique view, revealing patterns and combinations that are not visible from the ground. It's like looking at a living, breathing painting that changes with the seasons. Drones allow us to see the world as a giant canvas. They capture the intricate details and the grand designs of nature, showing us how everything is interconnected. The landscapes, with their diverse colors and textures, come alive in a way that is both mesmerizing and humbling. Imagine this. You're flying over a field of flowers. The colors explode before your eyes, creating a symphony of hues that dance in the wind. Each flower, with its unique color and shape, adds to the overall beauty of the scene. The colors explode before your eyes. Reds, yellows, oranges, and purples blend together, creating a beautiful mosaic that is both vibrant and soothing. It's a reminder of the incredible diversity and creativity of nature. You see reds, yellows, oranges, and purples. It's a beautiful mosaic. Each color has its own place, its own role in the grand design. Together, they create a scene that is both harmonious and dynamic. You fly over a coral reef. The colors are just as vibrant underwater. The coral with its bright hues and the fish with their shimmering scales create a scene that is both exotic and familiar. The colors are just as vibrant underwater. Blues, greens, pinks and yellows blend together, creating a scene that is both tranquil and lively. It's like an underwater garden full of life and color. You see blues, greens, pinks and yellows. Each color adds to the overall beauty of the reef, creating a scene that is both vibrant and serene. It's a reminder of the incredible diversity of life beneath the waves. It's like an underwater garden. The colors, the shapes, the movement of the water all come together to create a scene that is both beautiful and mysterious. It's a world that is both familiar and alien, full of wonder and beauty. You fly over a forest in autumn. The leaves have changed color, creating a scene that is both vibrant and serene. The reds, oranges and yellows blend together, creating a scene that is both warm and inviting. The leaves have changed color. Each leaf with its unique hue adds to the overall beauty of the scene. Together, they create a scene that is both harmonious and dynamic. You see reds, oranges and yellows. It's like a fiery sunset. The colors blend together, creating a scene that is both vibrant and soothing. It's a reminder of the incredible beauty of nature. It's like a fiery sunset. The colors, the shapes, the movement of the leaves all come together to create a scene that is both beautiful and mysterious. It's a world that is both familiar and alien, full of wonder and beauty. Drones reveal the incredible palette of nature's colors. They capture the intricate details and the grand designs of nature, showing us how everything is interconnected. The landscapes, with their diverse colors and textures, come alive in a way that is both mesmerizing and humbling. They inspire us with their beauty and diversity. Each scene, each color tells a story of life, growth and change. It's a reminder of the incredible beauty and diversity of our world. We are reminded of the wonders that surround us. The colors, the shapes, the movement of the water all come together to create a scene that is both beautiful and mysterious. It's a world that is both familiar and alien, full of wonder and beauty. The world can be a busy place, but from above everything seems peaceful. Drones give us a sense of tranquility. Imagine this, you're flying high above a city. The noise fades away, the buildings look like tiny blocks. You feel a sense of calm. You fly over a crowded beach. You see the people below, but you can't hear them. You feel a sense of detachment from the chaos. You fly over a traffic jam. The cars look like ants crawling along. You feel a sense of perspective on life's little annoyances. Drones offer us a break from the hustle and bustle of daily life. They remind us to slow down and appreciate the world around us. Drones are like tools for exploration. They open up a world of possibilities, allowing us to see places we could only dream of. With a drone, the sky is no longer the limit, it's just the beginning. They take us to new places, places that are often inaccessible by foot or vehicle. Imagine soaring above uncharted landscapes, discovering new territories that have never been seen before. We discover hidden waterfalls and secret beaches. It's exciting. These are places that might have remained hidden forever, but with a drone, they are brought into the light, revealing their beauty to the world. Imagine this. You're flying your drone over a forest. The dense canopy below you is a sea of green, and you navigate through the thick woods with ease, seeing things from a perspective that was once impossible. Suddenly you see a clearing. It's like a hidden gem in the middle of the forest, a place that you would have never known existed without your drone. In the middle, there's a beautiful lake. The water is calm and serene, reflecting the sky above. It's a sight that takes your breath away. You didn't know it was there. This sense of discovery, of finding something unexpected, is what makes flying a drone so thrilling. You fly your drone over a mountain range. The rugged peaks and valleys stretch out before you, a landscape that is both majestic and intimidating. You discover a hidden valley. It's a place untouched by human hands, a sanctuary of nature that feels like a secret world. There's a river running through it. The water flows gently, carving its way through the valley, creating a scene that is both peaceful and awe-inspiring. It's like something out of a fairy tale. The beauty of the landscape is almost surreal, like a scene from a storybook. You fly your drone along the coast. The rocky cliffs and crashing waves create a dramatic and breathtaking view. You spot a secluded beach. It's a hidden paradise, a place where you can escape from the world and find peace. The water is crystal clear. The turquoise sea sparkles in the sunlight, inviting you to dive in and explore its depths. It's the perfect place to relax. The tranquil beach and peaceful shoreline offer a sanctuary from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Drones allow us to explore the world in a new way. They give us the freedom to see things from a different perspective, to discover places we never knew existed. We discover hidden gems and experience the thrill of adventure. Every flight is a new journey, a chance to see the world in a way that is both exciting and awe-inspiring. Drones help us appreciate nature more. We see the world from a different angle. We understand how connected everything is. Imagine this. You're flying over a forest. You see the trees, the rivers, and the animals. You realize how important it is to protect them. You fly over a polluted river. You see the damage that humans have caused. You feel a responsibility to take care of our planet. You fly over a glacier that is melting. You see the effects of climate change. You feel inspired to make a difference. Drones help us connect with nature on a deeper level. We develop a greater understanding of our impact on the environment. Drones are useful tools for conservation. They help us monitor wildlife and protect the environment. Imagine this. Scientists use drones to track endangered animals. They can count them, observe their behavior, and protect them from poachers. Drones help monitor deforestation. They can track illegal logging and alert authorities. This helps to protect our forests. Drones can assess damage after natural disasters. They can help rescue teams find people and deliver supplies. This saves lives and helps communities recover. Drones are playing an increasingly important role in conservation efforts. They are helping us protect our planet for future generations. Drones give us a new perspective on the world. They allow us to see the beauty and wonder of nature in a whole new light. We are no longer limited to the ground. We can soar above the clouds, dive into canyons, and explore hidden waterfalls. The possibilities are endless. As we embrace this new technology, let us remember to use it responsibly. Let us respect the environment and the creatures that inhabit it. Let us use drones to inspire others to appreciate the beauty of our planet. Let us use them to protect our natural wonders for generations to come. The view from above is waiting to be discovered.